4 ingredients that will help you get a flat belly fast. Top weight loss programs. There isn't any magic pill that will help you lose 30 pounds a week without compromising your health. Today's video will discuss a recipe for a delicious and healthy drink that'll help you lose weight faster than you would without it. You will need 1 celery stalk, 1 medium-sized cucumber, 1 glass-cut parsley, 3 pieces fresh pineapple. Thoroughly wash the vegetables, and remove the skin of the pineapple. Mix them all in the blender. Do not add salt, pepper, sugar, or its substitutes to the drink. You should drink the pineapple and vegetable juice within 15 minutes of making it so that it doesn't lose its properties. Drink it in the morning and only in a fasted state. If you combine this drink with sports and a healthy diet, you'll see the results in a week. Your belly will become visibly flatter. So what's the secret of this juice? 1. Celery is a very low-calorie vegetable, containing only 16 kilocalories per 100 grams. The dietary fiber swells inside the stomach, making you feel satiated. In addition, a study has shown that an increase of fiber in your diet is an essential component of a weight loss regimen. 2. Like celery, cucumbers contain lots of fiber and are almost similarly low-calorie. 95% of a cucumber is water, so they help you drink your essential 2L of liquid, recommended by nutrition specialists to all who want to stay in shape. 3. Parsley contains a lot of fiber, 3.3 grams per 100 grams. To compare, the same amount of cucumber and celery only contain 0.5 grams and 1.6 grams correspondingly. It also has a mild natural diuretic effect. 4. 100 grams of pineapple contains 1 gram of non-soluble fiber, while its energy value is about 50 kilocalories. The fruit is sweet, so it also improves the taste of the drink. Have you ever tried this juice ever to make your belly flat? Let me know in our comment section below. If you love it, subscribe my channel and share.